feel like a creeper, but the UPS man just came. That is a big box. That's almost the size of him. It weighs 28.1 pounds. Okay guys, this is part of my unboxing. This is going to be the first part of it. Let me turn on my fan real fast. But this is right here. I'm not tiptoeing or anything. The box is almost as tall as me. Look. Let's see if I can get back far on my bed. Get the whole box. Okay guys, this is Chase from Wolverine Airsoft. Look at this ghetto thing I did. Took my Rhino mount off my old, off the real Mitch Kevlar and rubber band my flip to it. And once again, this is the box. Ginormous. I'd say it's about 4.5 feet or taller. Do I like this angle? Yeah, I like that angle. Pull out the handy dandy, trusty knife. Hope I don't cut my fingers open. The box is not the best part because it weighs so much, thrown around everywhere. This is a $450 unboxing. Okay, so let's start out. Okay, already on the top, I have my Thunder B set. It looks like it's fine. Good packaging, I guess. The next thing I have is silicone oil spray. I needed this to lube up my gas blowback. This back. Next thing I have is a set of Thunder Bs. 12 of them, the flashbang set. These are smaller than the other ones. I think they're making them small now. Or maybe, I don't know. And another set right there. I think this box, or this bag right here, is air splat. 20 gram, 5,000 rounds of BBs. Looks like there's a sticker or something in there. Here's another bag of 5,000 BBs. Open this up. I think I bought 25 CO2 cartridges for the Thunder Bs. The best place to get them is Airsplat. Airsplat's got the cheapest price on CO2 cartridges, 50 cents a piece. Other places are ripping you off for like at least $1.50 or more a piece. Don't know what this is. Oh, it's the chronograph. I guess I'll say that for unboxing. Well, this is a chronograph. Get tactical packing paper out of the way. Then right here, you have your propaganda for Airsplat. Again, just giving you the sales and stuff. I don't think I'll be taking advantage of any of these because at the moment, I sort of spent all my money on this. Throw that out the way. You can fit a body in this box. Okay, let's throw that out the way. Okay, let's grab the knife open again to open it again. Maybe if I wasn't such a retard. If I show my other unboxing, I'm a retard, can't cut anything open. If you can't tell by this thing, you're a retard. It's the A and K M249 SAW. Didn't put the M there, probably because they didn't get the licensing for it. I actually like the packaging on this, I'm not gonna lie. I already lost my knife, let's grab another. The packaging's really not that bad on it. It's actually good. It's got all the styrofoam. I thought the outside box was just holding it in there, but just like the actual gun. But then they have all this in there. I see why the outside box wasn't the best. Lift this up. As you can see, as I just opened it, something fell out. Came with a full metal flash hider, and it's bright orange. Dang, this is nice. Came with a, I think this is an 8.4 volt battery. 8.4 volt charger. I think I was supposed to get a battery in there. I'll have to look at my order. This little pen, not sure what this does yet. Probably a front and side adjustment tool. The box mag. This thing's sexy. Oh, that feels real nice. I'd be touching that thing up every single day. Honestly, this thing feels like Jesus. I thought it was going to be like 10 times heavier. Oh, dang. I thought I almost dropped it the first time. Okay, let's look in there, see if we got nothing else. It looks like it was it. Airsplat, thank you so much. I'm really happy with this order. I took advantage of your 27% off Memorial Day sale. Once again, I have to say thank you for that. That helped me get this. I've been wanting this for over 8 months now, and I can finally get it. Oh, that's so sexy. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little overview of everything I got again. Oh, wow, I found the knife. Okay, let's put it off the helmet. So right here, you got your Airsplat BBs, got a chrono, a battery, full metal flash hider for the SAW. You get your Thunder Bees, and then the extra shells, silicone spray, ICS, the manual for the A and K. I also got the charger for the battery right there. Probably won't be using that battery in it. Probably put a LiPo or something in there and make it insane. Then we have our CO2 cartridges, and the best and the biggest thing, the M249 SAW MK1. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget about the giveaway that we're having, the airsoft giveaway. And I don't know if you can tell by my voice right now, I'm really excited to start shooting this thing. I can't even think about what to say. I'll put everything in the thing below. I can't talk right now. Alright, you guys, this is Chase from Wolverine Airsoft, and we're out.